In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Teams add-in in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that connects Outlook with Microsoft Teams, so you can add online meeting details to your invites in just a click. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox and calendar. We'll work from the desktop app interface so you can access the settings we need. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner of Outlook. This opens what's called the Backstage view, where you manage account settings and app-wide preferences rather than your email or calendar content. From here, choose Options at the bottom of the left sidebar. That opens the Outlook Options window, which is the central place for customizing how Outlook behaves. In the Outlook Options window, select Add-ins on the left. The add-ins page lists everything Outlook can load to extend its features. You'll see sections like active, inactive, and disabled application add-ins. This page tells you whether something is already running, available but not loaded, or blocked. Look through this list for Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. If you see it under active application add-ins, Outlook and Teams are already connected and you're good to go. If it appears under inactive or you simply spot it in the list, that confirms the add-in is installed and recognized by Outlook. Sometimes after Teams or Office updates, Outlook needs a quick refresh to pick it up. If the add-in doesn't appear immediately or you recently installed Teams, close Outlook completely and then reopen it to let the add-in register properly. A quick restart often resolves that last mile connection. Once Outlook recognizes the add-in, switch to your calendar in Outlook and look at the ribbon at the top of the window when you create or view a meeting. You should now see a Teams meeting button. That's your indicator that the add-in is active. When you use that button while composing a meeting invite, Outlook will insert the Teams join information directly into the invitation, so attendees can join with one click. Depending on your version, the button may show the Teams logo or read Teams meeting, but it will be right in the meeting toolbar. That's it. You opened Outlook, navigated to File, chose Options, checked add-ins for the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in, restarted Outlook if needed, and confirmed the Teams meeting button appears in your calendar ribbon. With this in place, scheduling secure, clickable online meetings from Outlook becomes fast and consistent.